Yobos, this is We to Play Deep into Bustricks of YouTube. Welcome to Kirby in the Forgotten Land, and if you think this is the finale, you are wrong. You are very, very wrong. Why? I don't know, because I like dragging things out. What else can I say? But the bigger reason is, there was something kind of substantially big that I ended up missing. And in case you can't tell, this is not my original file that I've been playing. You can't tell by all the locks and the fact that I can't go to the Great Desert. Here's the thing. There are some hidden secrets in these Kirby games. And while there's been a couple that have debated whether or not to show on camera, this is one where I feel like I have to show it on camera. So, first off, just gonna spoil a little secret here. You go over here, there's a maximum tomato! Yay! Worth it! But guess what? That's not what we came here for, is it? Now, yep, here we go. Now I want to specify I haven't watched anyone else do this yet. I only know this through one YouTuber and through Galaxy Wiz who wouldn't shut up about it. But yep, there is a secret alternative path that brings me to a harder version of this exact stage. So friends, fans, fam, for the very first time, I am going to be trying this harder version. And I'm going to see how well this all works out. Oh my gosh, this is cute. You got like a little campfire area here. I've never seen this once. Alright, let's go. To the top of the bridge. How well will I do? Will I be able to rescue every single Shy Guy in this harder version? And here's another fun thing. None of my grade is upgraded. None of it. I'm going with the very base of base gear. And I'm tempted to play this without dodging, but I think I would be a lunatic for doing that right now. So, not doing that, not doing good either, but I'm working on it. It'd be crazy if there was a harder version of this later on. Not that I'm technically trying to hint towards something, but yes, I might be kind of hinting towards something. But we're not even close to that far in yet, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Obviously, I am playing this. I'm gonna ignore that. I'm playing this much later in than I did when I first played this. Also, this just looks like the same room again. Let me try to clarify what I was trying to say. I have been playing a lot of this game to a point where I can say I think I've done just about everything I can on it. So with that said, I'm going to try this one thing I haven't gotten to try yet. Okay, the platform, ignore that. Ignore that. The platform might be moving faster. Maybe. Can I please get some food? I've messed up so many times, it hurts. Thank you. Alright, first Shy Guy. Shy Guy? Oh my gosh! Waddle Dee, not Shy Guy. Wow. The first Waddle Dee has been found. I'm still not 110% sure if this is different than what I played earlier, but screw it. Still going. I'm just gonna go with sword. Don't think I didn't see that capsule there. I've had to find a lot of secrets. Now, there is a chance the Galaxy List may have over-exaggerated the difficulty that these have. Right now, the biggest difficulty I can see is that we've got double the enemies. That's about it. I'm not 110% sure. Excuse me. I am not. Oh, are they both doing it? Oh, shoot. Okay, that's different. Kirby! Okay, not going well. Should really be focusing more on the dodging than the attacking. If I don't, I'm gonna lose all my health, and then I'm gonna look pretty dumb. I, for one, don't want to look dumb in that way. No! I tried to dodge that. I really did. Need to get rid of at least one of them. Strong. Okay. There we go. What do you mean low battery? I don't believe you. Oh, no. Come on, go! So, not clean. Dare I say I'd love to try to do this without receiving any damage. That would be super hilariously fun. And totally not agonizing at all. By the way, speaking of Kirby finales, because yes, it's one episode away for the story mode. I want to see some people actually want it. There's a part of me that... Whoops. There's a part of me that kinda is not wanting to put up the episode yet. Well, let's try that again. A little less fail this time. I'll just be waiting here. I think Galaxy West kind of exaggerated a bit. Yes, I'm messing up. I'm not happy about that. Did I do it? Yeah, I did. Alright. Grab all those coins now. Still dying, though. Very important you guys know that. Well, we got a melon. That helps. Hold up. Yeah, I knew it. I knew there was something else here. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm a little bit more disappointed than I thought I would be about this. I really thought this was gonna be bigger than it's turning out to be right now. Don't get me wrong, this is a whole separate path, but as I was saying, it feels like the only things that are difficult here, thank goodness that glob of dirt missed me. The only thing that seems different here is that there's double the bosses. Double the mid-bosses. And that's it. So... Sorry, guys. Ow. Like I said, gotta be careful. Gotta work on knowing when to attack and when to not. He stepped on me and I was underground, I swear. Yes, I can do the dodge. So when he's jumping up and down, probably don't go underground. Alright, I'm learning. More or less. I know. But I went into this without knowing what was ahead, other than double trouble. Also the hammer. Also, never mind. Everything's going wrong. So, going back to hitting with stars. Because guess what? Galaxy Wiz can say, oh, it's so much tougher when you're not using abilities, but, yeah, no. If you're doing the dodges, the stars are causing a lot more damage than a lot of other abilities do. Besides, I'm using the basic abilities. These aren't strong to begin with, so... yeah, I think I'll just stick with classic Kirby shenanigans, thank you. Wherever this room is, don't screw up in it. Ah, yes, this one. I feel like I'm gonna have to just edit this video to a point where it's just showing off the best parts. Although I'm not 110% sure if that was a thing I had to worry about with the hammer. Always rewatch the video and see for myself. Good timing. Really good timing. Okay, well, that's a loss. I'm not going to stop. Let's just try that one again. No pain, no gain, as they say. Sometimes you gotta take an L in order to... that was bad. Sometimes you have to take an L in order to learn from your mistakes. Something like that. I'm not gonna make it, am I? Okay. Ooh, that was tight. And I almost didn't run into the right wall, because I just kind of lost concentration for a moment. But we're fine. We're fine. Would have been more impressive if I had gone through this without losing. That's just how this video's gonna go. Aha! Ah! I don't want to talk about it. But I found the Waddle Dee. Almost said the other one. Almost said the other one, guys. I'm not gonna deny that I almost said the thing it wasn't. Also, there's only one of you? I mean, I know you're stupid difficult, but... now this is just sad. Burn, baby, burn! Just go and burn, oh, burn, baby, burn! Gonna just jump around. Okay, so I'm jumping over ice. That hurts. Mostly my pride. Alright, now what? Okay, there's 3 of them. And shot souls. Oh, I got juked. got cute, man. Alright, you know what? I'll give that one to you, Hal. I, really should have known better. Alright, this is more the challenge I was looking for. My biggest disappointment, though, is that the extra areas where you get the wild D's, the extra booms, there's really no difficulty spike, necessarily. I would have been more happy if it was a different room entirely. But no, apparently that's not the case. Come on, one of you go down. One of you go down. No! Where am I? Oh, I'm inside. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I saw he ate me. No, in case you haven't seen that happen in my video yet, that's a thing that you can do. Oh, now he's gonna try. Now he's gonna try. Nope. Gonna have to be quicker. You are fired! Fired! He's not going down. Come on. There we go. Alright, I got it, guys. I got it. We're good. There's the ending. And I got the Frosty Ice blueprint. Really earned that one. Well, one last room to go through, I guess. Yes, this one. I remember. Give me a sec, guys. Yeah, no, I see what I did wrong. I was a little distracted. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, this might be different. Harder jump! Maybe. I don't know. Again, I'd have to re-watch my previous footage. Just to be sure. I do believe that I'm getting more coins, though. That part might have been harder. Again, I really do have to look back and see for sure. So, anything else? The exploration side of me is kicking in again. Oh well. I think that's it, folks. I think that was the whole darn video. You get whatever's in here. Switch. Nice. Man, I got so many blue coins from this escapade. So, if I'm trying to get more coins for whatever this video is supposed to be, excuse me, whatever other videos this is going to be, I got that much. And hey, look, I get a nice rooftop viewpoint. Hold up. Oh wait, wrong button. There we go. I don't use this button enough. See, look at that! This is totally worth it. Totally worth it. Alright, well, I guess there's one more thing I could show. It's not that big of a deal, but, I'll just show it anyways, just for the sake of showing it. So I'm pretty sure I interrupted myself in my own video, especially considering that I know this wasn't quite as eventful as I had really hoped it would be. But I'm going to show you one other How room. And this one, I was already in there. I just didn't know what I was supposed to do. Heck, no one is going to usually know what they're supposed to do here. There's something I do want to look up, though. Although, I guess I'm gonna add in post-editing. But I digress. as I get ready to take on good old DDD, King of the Tundra. I'm going to go over here, and yes, there's going to be a few little spoilers, but try to ignore that. I'm going to go over here to showcase, once again, probably going to add this. The Hen Halvoom was here, of all places. But you're saying, how? How is this a Halvoom? Well, as I get ready to show you with very, 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 very slow speed. It's not so much trying to beat the timer as it is waiting for it. I don't know the full implications of this. I don't know the whole thing, but there needs to be 2 digits on the clock when you reach 86. And there it is. This was a Halvoom the whole entire time. But how? How? Nice. How could this be a Halvoom? Why 86? Hopefully that's the right number. Why 86? Well, at first, I was thinking, oh, that must have been the year Kirby's Dream Land came out. No, it really wasn't. So why 86? Is it Sakurai's birthday? And that's what I'm going to find out right now. Wait, what did that say? No, that's not it. Masahiro. There it is. Can't spell for the life of me. Birthday. 1970. Why 86? I'm never gonna get over this. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna need the most expert of people to tell me. And that would be people who have already done the homework for this game on YouTube. So Kirby and the Forgotten Land Halvoom 2. Why? How to find thumbnail not a spoiler. Yeah, no, thumbnail's definitely not a spoiler. Okay, let's try Google. There's got to be something to this. Why is 86 the code or number for Kirby and the Forgotten Lands Halvoom 2? They're not gonna know what I'm talking about. But hey, if I can get in written word and someone speaking right directly to me, more power to me. Let's see. Wait until 86. But why? That's the question I'm trying to ask. Why? What is the lore? Yeah, let's go to a wiki. That might help. Wikis usually don't steer me wrong. Huh? Okay, here we go. So the number 86 is a reference to the Japanese pronunciation of how, which can also be separated into 8 and 6. I learned something today. I didn't know about that. I thought it was like a reference to Sakurai or his game or his birthday. Although a Halvoom does not physically appear in Kirby Fighters 2, what? There exists a secret that involves waiting for 86 seconds in the option menu regardless. Same reference applies when Kirby crosses the finish line in 86 seconds in the second Halvoom of Kirby and the Forgotten Land. That was Huh. See, I don't think I even knew about that one. Yeah, no, I did not know about that Halvoom. Are you not gonna tell me more about that? See, now I'm going into a deep hole here. Following the fight against Gigant Edge, Kirby can find a secret area at the very right of the screen that contains some point stars in the Maximum Tomato. Kirby goes directly up to where the Maximum Tomato was and presses up on the front moon to enter the invisible door. The door is behind the wall and a Hal block split across the foreground. That's not the same one, is it? Kirby to... Oh, I didn't okay, so I did find that. I didn't realize it was 86 seconds. You know what? If I make a video on that, I'm gonna have to time it. Also, there's a Halvoom in DD's Drum Dash Deluxe. Ah, jeez. Okay, well, I got a lot to edit, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to upload the video on 4/16 because I'm going to have a lot to edit, but thanks for watching. Screen's dim because I waited too long, but, excuse me, that's going to be it for this episode of Kirby and the Forgotten Land, which is probably not going to show up when I hoped it would, but I digress. I did it. I showed how it's done. I got some amusement out of it. I also bit the dust once, but I did it. So, until my next videos, possibly a little bit more entertaining, this has been We The Play. I got nothing left to say, so I hope you enjoy your day. Take care out there, and I'll catch you later.